were able to access the common assignment. I just sent an email with links to it, but I'm not sure if you can use those links if you're outside of the system. I just tried to log in using it and had some issues with that. So I want to show you how to get around that if you go straight from your Canvas dashboard. So all you need to do is go to Commons. It's this little C with an arrow. I'm sure most of you are familiar, but just in case you're not, I found that if you just put in my last names instead of my first name, that will bring it up. I don't know why putting in the first name messes it up, but if you just put in Severson Lopez, then everything that I've shared comes up. So you see this is from last year. These are our common assignments from last year. Don't use those. I haven't erased them because I don't know if we're going to need them again, but those are not the ones that we need right now. You need the ones that say personal and social responsibility. They should all be here, and they should all say personal and social responsibility common assignment. So be sure to do that. For History 1110, that's a debate about American independence. For 1120, it's a debate about women's suffrage. For 1130, it's a debate between Sparta and Athens. For 1140, it's a group presentation about World War II, the various nations involved in that. For 1150, it is a discussion of the Crusades and the perspectives of each side. And for 1160, it's a group project about the different empires involved in World War I. So they're all a little spread out. I wanted to try to do as similar as possible, so they're all either group presentations or debates. The idea is that you can host this through a discussion group if it's an if it's an online class, and if it's an in-person class, they can actually give a presentation on it. That fits better with the social responsibility rubrics that we're going to see. I did include a rubric that I wrote with points assigned. You are free to use that, or if you would like to make it worth less points, because I put 100 just by default, you can adjust the points. You can adjust the scoring to fit better into your class. You can use your own rubric. You don't have to use mine. The only thing that you have to do is use the outcomes. So whatever rubric you decide to use, whether it's my rubric or one of your own, just go to Find Outcomes, and I'll upload a video showing you how to do that a little bit later, but you should be able to find the outcomes we're looking for the personal and social responsibility. You can choose to use that as part of your grading, so you can assign points to it, or you can choose to just use it for data collection. I know with mine, I'm just using it for data collection. But if you want to include it as part of your grade, that is up to you. All we need to know is that you're collecting the data somehow. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this clarified things enough. I hope you can see whatever classes you're teaching, what the assignments are. Like I say, they're very similar to each other, but they're not the same because we're dealing with different subject matter. And I don't teach 1150G or 1140G, so I hope that these fit well into that curriculum. The rest of them, I have tried versions of these assignments in my own classes, and they seem to work well. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope this helps.